Rorschach test going on my crotch in front of 2,000 people. So I did the forehead against the wall lean that the tall guys do in the bathroom of the airplane, right? Do that. Tall guys. We've got tall guys here who do that forehead lean in the bathroom. It's kind of leaning the ironing board against the wall in the mudroom. It's just you lean for it. And I was doing it, and I was shaking. I mean, the guy at the urinal next to me must have thought I was beating off at this point. Man, does this guy love SEMA events. We knew Corolla liked cars, but we didn't know the extent of it. So I'm just sitting there shaking, and then you do the weird milk move where you think like, oh man, I'm gonna get this golf ball through this garden hose one way or the other, you know, so I move and shake, and then obviously you walk out. So there was that. Now, first off, if you make slacks that show piss droplets, and you can see them from outer space, shouldn't you have some sort of quilted inner front, you know? Like, you ever see those dudes with the hunting vest and it's got the padded diamond stitch on the shoulder? Shouldn't I have something like that? Or the fishing hat where you keep the lures, you know, some sort of piss-absorbent, charcoal-filled thing at the front that may accentuate the bulge a little, but also absorb the collateral piss. So, moments before I came up on stage here tonight, I realized I should take a piss as well, because I don't want to have to piss when I'm on stage. So this time, how do I do this? Because it's not something I normally do. I normally just wear jeans, and I don't care. And the other part is, why are we so judgmental in this society? Like, I walk out here with 5 drops of urine in the front of my pants. Like, oh, look at that retard, he can't control his bladder. There's context for this. Haven't we all done this? Why so judgmental? You know what I mean? You take a piss, you shake it around, and a little ends up in the pants. Why we gotta end up on the internet with this shit? But so, tonight, moments ago before I came up on stage, how do I do this? Do I go with the monster bib effect? Do I like take a paper towel and hold it down there? I came up with what I can only refer to as a cock hammock or sling. Like remember Laurel and Hardy when someone would have a toothache and they tie that thing around? I just made a sling out of a paper towel and rested my marginal dick in it, and then I actually used it. It was a little puppetry of the penis, you know what I mean? Like, but it was marionette of the penis. I would watch puppetry of the penis if they used strings. I slung it around and I gave it the I guess the inverted reverse shoe box move, you know what I mean? Like, tailed it off and dabbed it off and got here as far as I could. Success, as you guys can see, I made it. Thank you. Please, I'm no hero, you know. Our boys overseas are the heroes, but me who didn't dribble more piss on my slacks before I came out to do a show. Also, you guys probably know this, but this club's a little out of the way. It's not exactly part of the strip. And one of the streets I drove down to get here